coming back to common. So the last time I know Honorable Kenya Kupekwe Japan so far as Anas air concern no make catch am say court document there me di many hu e break it down court document na mamu say during the verdict am de buy no and it said defamation case no Honorable Kenya Kupekwe Japan edi ho for name of mistake a jury ni no and it said damages na more reward no right am consider punitive damages and the ka ho which na judge no and more anka and more ho kwan so for punitive damages and count and Honorable Kennedy Akupekwe Japan lawyer file ye after that particular court session no judge na catch jury ne say oni mo wi adwuma no mo nko no and Honorable Kennedy Japan lawyer file motion say o parameter which me dey enu break down abro nende and Honorable Kennedy Akupekwe Japan ebepiem e Kojoka International Airport and India omokoko welcome no grand welcome and omode ma Honorable Kennedy Akupekwe Japan e airport. Now from airport and Honorable Kennedy Japan ekasa kakra na ne kasa ne nsem kaye okai ni na no ene se nipa de okasa obeka no kren na obeka oni bia asema mana nso hwe se ya na obefem na de ekoso na say de akoso no we sua de afirimu a ebema na ye a better person na say a better man
Hello. Hi.
Let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for the wonderful welcome you've given to me and my wife. I thank you very much. This will inspire me to continue to do whatever I'm doing.
Sure.
This indicates that you appreciate every effort that I'm making to speak for the voice.
Now true.
Yes. So I would say that we should all stay calm. Nobody should worry. Because anybody who decides to speak the truth and fight for the voiceless will go through all these ordeals. And with this, through this ordeal, I become a better person. Become a better person. Fight and defend the country and the voices. Thank you to all of you. And in due course, you will hear from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, of course, Obianim say, ja, a man for be speculative so case no Honorable Kennedy Japan and Lucy. A man for so speculative so Honorable Kennedy Japan and Lucy case no. And I've told this me, I don't have biases. But one thing I will not do, and I say, any party send you see can seminar better because a man for say Honorable Kennedy Japan somehow me out say or say Lucy and Nas case losing an ass case no, and be man a better person. And yes, Honorable Kennedy Japan. or say the offer in this period no a lot, right? Ebi say my friend is saying I'm a swally issue amount for edinidi bim or the dear coco pim or Madina court or honum. Ebi say on your nas case amount for see we lose the case no and the lawyers and then call for mobile no see you lose the case no or make a file for mistrial. Ebi mo see you in some more kakano be brave. It's as I made the officer so shame into me now. And all address say and me pay no obekasa na emom de ekoso sisia no ama na ehu say was so a better person e be shape no ama na a better person and nkofo na budget so class sisia akra no ama ho ayefe wankasa bia oh me Lucy wankanisa because sena bidi kaka me I like to be honest and play with you sena bidi kaka no jury no e do verdict aba but judge no enya fa judgment embaye because judge na ama ho kwan so obia wo motion or person file so far as jury the verdict near concern na on filing fambra and I make a to honorable Japan lawyers file say on perimeter because omo say jury no damages no more award no omo the punitive damages account which judge no ama jury ne kwan so omo fa punitive damages account and jury ne on any punitive damages account omo out of the line. Guidelines are judged in the moment. Omako out of that, and there are two options. But judge no ruling out the option for mistrial. And now honorable Kennedy Japan lawyers no file for remitter motion, some more perimeter. And after that motion, the next thing I announce lawyers so I say almost filing motion, so more per judgment from the court into a judgment proposal aqua court which judgment motion no more filing right almost say. Matter ne kopie mu SS County Court no jury no edium verdict aba jury no award damage say the damage storm award no judge as follows said omo enter judgment say in favor of plaintiff against defendant no a total amount of 80 million US dollars 80 million US dollars no 5 million reputational damages 5 million some actual damages and 8 million punitive damages and omodiaba said jury's verdict is incorporated herein by reference and shall be made part of this judgment. Into where your motion announce lawyers no file their comma judge no say judge no and sign no on stamp no motion into right not to say judge no at the judgment order no atum the judgment aba. But honorable Japan lawyers so file motion for there's a motion no after say omo receive a copy of announced lawyers omo judgment order omo de akoko dan judge no and now omo file motion say judgment order we say judge no gituma enye yie because jury no call out of the line say na me di kai ka no so they repeated their words say jury no call out of the line. And Sema announced lawyers can the closing remarks to the jury no and they be informing jury no emo mo award those damages. So judge no just ordered judgment we tuma enye ye which is in the letter o here screen no. But after that no clerk no our court no responding on behalf of the judge say judge na ma ho kwan say wow person filing motions bia no filing motion fabra before 26th of March 2025, which was Enra. It was on the 24th of March 2025. And Honorable Kennedy Akupre Japan, responding to a clerk in a message no, and as a clerk no response or the the lawyers no say okay, see the order or mo pay some file post judgment motions. Our assembly jump a jury no a verdict no. What is it? No more next line of action so far as an on concern. It's my catch was a jury in there. Or the verdict about said defamation in there. Honorable Kennedy Japan a deal for. But the issue here no damage is not jury no award no. Which any delay judge no a judgment. It's not a judge no ruling out the opportunity for a mistrial. So we will file a mistrial motion. For now. So I can so we file a mistrial motion. We're ruling it out. But mama ho kwan so wa pay bia no. File any motion be out before 26th of March 2025. Now be na response. And Honorable Kennedy Japan lawyers on my last in no more sending come court no or requesting for jury ne verdict no and after so jury no questions. I am so into me award primitive damages no as part of we na verdict no the buy so far as Anas case any Honorable Kennedy Japan case no concern. It's here no and that's how media omugo so.
watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.